Tehran Poultry Federation of India. Today we were discussing with the press that Indian poultry industry is growing at a pace of 8 to 10%. But when we talk about the agriculture growth is only 1 to 2%. So in the coming years, there will be a mismatch for the supply of corn and soybean meal, which is a very essential product for the manufacturing of poultry feed. Now the corn is going to the industry of ethanol industry and starch industry. Because of this, the corn prices have shoot up to 30%, and this has increased the cost of poultry feed, which has increased the final cost of egg and chicken. So we have requested the government of India to allow the import of genetically modified corn as well as soybean meal, so that there is a parity, and even for the sake of agriculture farmers of India, we have requested the government then when it's a off season, when the production of soybean or production of corn is not there, during that period within a quota limit, the government should allow. You see, if we talk about Bangladesh, we talk about Nepal, Sri Lanka, everybody is allowing GM soybean meal and corn. It's coming. So in India also, government should allow with a quota base for a temporary within a period when there is a crop is not there in India, so that our cost of production doesn't go high, because 65% of the cost of production is the poultry feed cost, which is a combination of poultry soybean meal and the corn. So this is our request to government, and we are very hopeful because the Indian government Animal Husbandry Department has been very supportive through Infrastructure Development Fund. The government has supported a lot to the poultry industry. Into 2021, when the soybean meal price had gone very high, the government had allowed 1.2 million soybean meal was imported from others. So we are very hopeful that in the coming years, when the corn price and the soybean price will further go high, and the poultry farmers or livestock farmer, dairy farmer, aqua farmer will be in crisis, our government will support us by allowing the GM soybean meal and corn. Thank you very much.